Hi artists, welcome back to the channel. This is Zuri. So today we're going to be drawing Rumi, the K-pop demon hunter, in a cute chibi style. You can turn this into a gift for someone you love, or you can keep it for yourself. It could be for a sibling, a friend, a parent, or someone who loves K-pop and homemade surprises. Now after I finish drawing, I will be painting Rumi using a bright color palette I call the Stage Glow. If you want to watch me paint Rumi, check that video out. It will be linked in the description box below. All right, everybody, let's get drawing. So I have already split the canvas into half. This would be for placement. Another thing that I have done is I have taken my ruler, found the inch on here, and I have measured from the top down of the paper an inch, from the bottom up an inch, and these are marks that I have put in place to make sure that I don't draw past this point of the paper. Now the paper I am using is going to be canvas paper because remember I'm going to be painting today, and I want to make sure that I have paper that is heavier duty enough to withhold against the paint. Now if you're not wanting to paint this drawing, use just any regular paper that you have. So starting from the bottom, I'm going to start putting in her body. I'm going to put in a shape that resembles to a half circle. I'm going to draw a little bit of rectangle right here for her neck area. I think that's a little bit good here. Now I'm going to start drawing in a huge circle that's going to represent her head. Remember, this is Chibi style, so her head is going to be extra large. So I have gotten the circle in that's going to represent her head. Now I'm going to move into putting in her hair. I want to remind you all that this is the process of the drawing where we're just trying to get Rumi in for placement. Details will come later. All right, let's jump into the hair. All right, everybody, so we have put in her hair. I think she's looking beautiful already. So now we're at the point of the drawing process where there's no talking required, right? Everything is pretty much straightforward after here. So the only thing I'm going to be doing is adding in her arms. I'm going to be adding in her outfit details. She's also going to be wearing earrings, so I'm going to add those. In this drawing, Ruby is going to be looking very excited, happy. You know, I don't know why, maybe because she's seen her soda pop or something like that. So we're going to be adding the facial expressions to match that emotion of hers. And after that, everybody, I'm just going to be adding in just little final details, erasing any unnecessary marks, and that will be all. So watch me do my work. Okay, so I added some hearts over here on the side for a little bit of special touch. And look at this. I think it is beautiful. It turned out very, very great. So as I mentioned in the intro, in part 2, I'm going to be painting this drawing, and we're going to be using amazing colors that I call the stage glow. And I'm going to turn this into a gift that you or anybody cannot forget about, okay? All right, everybody. So subscribe, comment, and I will see you all in part 2.